So like, I hated this phone, this Galaxy A15 or whatever. I had iPhones forever, and I fucking hate Androids and shit, right? And I was like, why is this shit so slow and so garbage? I couldn't figure it out, and I was about to take it back, right? I was about to take it back. I still might, but it made it so much better when I realized this. And I don't know why this makes a difference, but you go to settings, where's it at? I don't know where it's at, but you notice I don't really got that much lag on here right now. It's like, I mean, I guess it's kind of laggy, but compared to what it was a second ago, it was horrible. So on settings, okay, it might be this option. I don't know why it would be this, but what I think it is the other one. What's that? That's tight. Anyway, hold on, let me get out of here. Alright. So it was like, remove animations, that thing. This hella helps. Okay? That's it. That's all I did, and it fucking made so much